Oral Enquiry, General Procedure. On receipt of appointment orders, the enquiry officer has to ensure whether the above orders were issued by the competent authority and copies of the above orders were communicated to the accused with directions, and a copy of charge memo with connected evidence records were attached. Immediately, the enquiry officer has to issue summons to the accused, prosecution and defense witnesses, fixing up a date, allowing a reasonable time for a preliminary hearing. The enquiry officer has to keep record of evidences for having delivered the above summons to all concerned. On the day of preliminary enquiry, in the presence of all concerned, the enquiry officer has to read aloud all the charges framed against the accused. In the presence of the accused, all witnesses have to be inquired. The evidences have to be inquired following Evidences Act. Prosecution evidences have to be inquired, and the accused has to be asked to cross-examine them following the depositions of prosecution evidences. Evidences must be voluntary and there must not be spoon feeding. The cross-examination by the accused must be within the depositions by the evidences. The witnesses must be assigned as prosecution witness number 1, 2, 3, etc. Any documents he produced as prosecution evidence, it must be shown to the accused and then assigned as prosecution evidence number 1, 2, 3, etc. The accused must be asked to cross-examine them. A witness belong to neither prosecution side nor defense is called as court witness. Court witnesses can be cross-examined by both the prosecution and defense. Prosecution witness cannot be cross-examined by prosecution side except in case of witnesses who does not voluntarily disclose evidences. Similarly, defense witness cannot be cross-examined by defense side except in case defense witness who does not voluntarily disclose evidences. The enquiry officer has to inquire before such examination that cross-examination of such evidences would result in the disclosure of facts connected to the case and then may permit for such cross-examinations. Re-cross-examinations follow the cross-examinations. All such proceedings have to be recorded in writing and signatures of all those who present during the proceedings have to be obtained. Copy of proceedings has to be handed over to the accused and acknowledgement obtained. If necessary, the enquiry officer may announce fixing up another date for the main inquiry and the signatures obtained from all.